Hi, That Clean Life community. In today's quick tip, we're going to show you how to teach your clients to do their own meal planning by providing them with a collection of hand-picked recipes and a blank meal plan. First, create a collection of recipes based on your client's needs. As an example, I've created a collection of gluten-free and dairy-free recipes, including breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. Next, create a new blank meal plan and set any smart rules that might apply to your client. For example, if your client is gluten free and dairy free, add those smart rules in here. So if your client makes a swap for a recipe, they will only be shown gluten free and dairy free options. Now add this blank plan with the smart rules to the collection with the recipes. Once your collection contains the blank plan and the recipes, click Share. Be sure to turn Allow Edits on and set any other settings that you might need for your client. Copy the link and share it with your client. When your client clicks into the link, they'll be able to see the recipes that you've provided, as well as the blank plan. When they click into the blank plan, they'll start to be able to edit it with the recipes that you've provided them. As a practitioner, you'll be able to see what your client chooses to add to their meal plan. So you can provide them with feedback, and you can also help edit their plan if you want to give them that little bit of extra guidance. This is a great way to empower your clients and teach them the skill of meal planning while still providing them with meal ideas that meet their needs. You can continue to add recipes and blank plans to this collection on a regular basis if you're working with a client over a longer period of time. This is also a great tool for client retention to keep clients engaged on a weekly or monthly basis with new recipes and plans. As always, if you have any questions, send us an email to support@thatcleanlife.com. We're standing by and always here to help. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tip and happy meal planning.